Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to contact Binance customer service in 2025. So first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in contact Binance support. Click on the go and it will show up some search results. Click on the one that says support center under www.binance.com. When you click on support center, it will show up this page. Here you can scroll down at the bottom and click on the support option, that is this plus icon after support. Now it will show up some support options like 24/7 chat support, support center, product feedback, fees and different options. So we'll click on 24/7 chat support. Now this is going to show you Binance Assistant where you can easily ask them questions. So you can choose what kind of support you want on this page, but we want to chat. So we'll scroll at the bottom and click on get support icon, that is this headphone like icon, and it will show up this chat box where I can easily type my query and send them my question. So you can type in your query, for example, account blocked. Now it will show up some related questions like my account has been blocked. Click on any one of those options and it is going to prompt you again here. Now you can choose to reactivate your account and it will show up some help options, but you can easily ask them another question like get connected to a live agent. Click on send. Now it says I understand that you need a human agent to handle the issue. Please click on the OK button below to transfer to a member of the customer support team. When you click on OK, it will instantly transfer your chat to a live agent with whom you can get connected and solve your issue. So that is a simple way through which you can connect to a Binance customer support. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.